African violets are small houseplants that produce clusters of white, blue, or purple flowers over fuzzy leaves. Now, we'll see how to propagate African violets. Take a sterile knife, blade, or scissors and remove a healthy leaf along with its stem from the base of the plant. Trim the stem down to about 1 to 1.5 inches. Place the cutting in a 1 inch deep 2.5 cm hole in the potting soil. It's a good idea to create a little greenhouse environment for your cutting by covering the pot with a plastic bag and securing it with a rubber band. Being sure to give the cutting some occasional fresh air. Place the pot in a sunny location, keeping the soil just moist. While watering African violets, make sure to use lukewarm water because African violets are very sensitive to cold water. This may create a ring spot on the leaves. The roots will usually form in 3 to 4 weeks. The leaves of new little plants usually appear in 6 to 8 weeks. So use this method to propagate African violets and watch them grow really well. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to Nilgiri Garden Nursery.